There are some phrases that you should know which are used in daily life. Some of these phrases are: first, when you have to greet someone, you should say, "Hi, I hope you're having a good day. How are you?" Second, when you have to express gratitude or you should thank someone, you should say, "Hi, thank you so much for your help." Hi, thank you so much for your help. And the third would be when you have to express your agreement. You should say, "Yes, I agree with you. Let's move forward." Yes, I agree with you. Let's move forward. The fourth is when you have to express your disagreement. You should politely say, "Hi, I don't think so this works. I don't think so this works. Maybe we should go with a different approach. Maybe we should go with a different approach." Stay tuned for more information like this. Thank you.